Comrades, we will solve load shedding. And you must say it with confidence, and you must never doubt yourself when you tell our people that we'll solve load shedding. We will do maintenance on our coal power stations. We'll talk to Russia to come and help us to build more power stations. We will talk to China to come and help us to build more power stations. So, hey, our little tate wanama, hopela tusho. We are in trouble. But we are friends with Russia. We are friends with China. Come and take the electricity of South Africa. Build it, operate it for 30 years or so, transfer it back to us. All different sources of energy will be exploited by the EFF to ensure that we do not rely on one source of energy. But that does not mean we must destroy what we have. The EFF is not opposed to an independent power producers and alternative means and all of that. Whatever the independent power producers are doing, Eskom will also do it, and then we'll compete with them. Why should Eskom close shop and open doors for independent power producers? We will solve this problem. The reason why we can't solve this problem now is because the current government wants to give this electricity to their friends and destroy Eskom. And if electricity is going to be provided by independent power producers, it's going to be extremely expensive, and the poor will not afford it.